Hi, it's me, Pammy, and I have a Grabie box. It's a monthly subscription that they so graciously sent to me. I'm excited to open it up. This one is, as you can kind of see from this beautiful box, is the Secret Tea Break. And let's see what we have. We have the magnet that's a free gift with every subscription. There's a different one. Beautiful little tea pot. And let's just move this to the side. We have some inks. Let's check those out. And some pencils. Look how cute these are. Oh, look, it has a little pencil sharpener. That is really cute. I've got hand cream on my hands, so that's probably why I can't get it off. But anyway, you can see the different colors. That's really nice, especially if you want to travel. Nice little container there. And we have some inks. A green, blue, another shade of green, dark green. Oh, this is a coffee brown, a blue sage. We have a lavender haze and I can't read, but that looks white. And this one is black velvet. Then we have some vintage lace doily. It's a paper pack and this nice little vellum envelope that you could reuse. And we have, looks like yeah, they have a really cool feel to them. Texture. I like those. I love circles anyway. So you could embellish these further. And these are really pretty. They're very sturdy. It's pretty. Butterflies. Different types. They look like little placemats. I always think of dollhouse things too, like this could be on a dollhouse table. They are very beautiful. That's part of the Secret Tea Break box. And next we have forest floor leaves. Those are pretty. Big pack of these. Sit down here a minute. Oh, these are pretty. Botanical. Journal would be pretty too with these. Okay, my phone is a little, I don't know why it's kind of going to the side. Look at all that. Very pretty leaves. I love that for botanical. Or if you're having tea in the garden, well, you're going to need some botanicals for that, for sure. So I hope you're doing good. I'm still decluttering a lot of things. Sold a lot of my Cricut cartridges. just keeping a few. And then a couple years ago, I sold my big Cricut, you know, my Cricut. I may have one time get the smaller one, the 8.5 by 11, possibly. But if I don't use it a lot, then I'm just, no, I just need to declutter. I got rid of lots and lots of little golden books. I bet at least 100, and I'm just keeping the ones that I know that I will realistically have time to use or make journals with. This is the Enchanted Tea House die cut stickers. Now, I don't know if these are really stickers. They just look like die cuts. But there are a ton. Well, they say they're stickers, but they look like die cuts to me. That is so cute. For a little, look at the little ears. But if you didn't want the ears, you could cut that off. That's kind of like for a Alice in Wonderland journal. Pretty bow. There's the rabbit. Little table you could add things to. Teacups. Perfect for a little tea party. The chair and the teapots. Oh, and the little wood table, and it's adorable. Hope you can see okay. I'm kind of looking for things too. I've been reading a lot. I try to, you know, now that the weather is nice, so you want to be outside. So I tried to read outside. I think I told you I read through all this series of Laura Ingalls' Little House on the Prairie, because I've never read that as a kid. Finished those. That was just kind of fun. And now I'm rereading Pride and Prejudice. I had never read Emma, but I did watch one of the movies, and I've watched both versions of Pride and Prejudice. Some, you know, I'm gonna. Oh, I did watch one of the Emma movies. If there's another version, I'll look at that, and then I'm eventually would like to make some journals with Jane Austen's novels. So kind of researching that. These are really pretty flowers with some pinks. They have like a little faux gem in the middle. Lots of those. Midnight Garden Botanical. But I don't believe these are stickers. It says stickers, but these look like die cuts to me. Okay, and then what next do we have? We have a Delicate Botanical die cut paper pack. So you get lots of things. Oh, I like these. These are really pretty. Little, very delicate. These would be really hard to die cut on your own. So I love that these are already done for you. Oops. Very pretty. We have some gorgeous lace. We have a Grabie Vintage sticker pack. 15 sheets for stamping and coloring. Ooh, that looks pretty. Stamp, you color, and then you cut it out. And I will put the discount code in the description. I think it's Pam 15, I believe. So look at this. So you get some thicker papers. And that has kind of a grass look to it, or fiber look. So you get all the papers, and then you can use your stamps on them. So here's all the colors. It shows red, but I don't see red. I think it's green. Pretty. So nice quality paper. Last, what we have is the Grabie Woodland Tea Party Vintage and Grazing Stamps. Okay, here's the stamps for the paper. Okay, how do I get them out of here? Okay, I'm not going to be using this, so I couldn't get them out otherwise. So look at this. This is beautiful. You've got a fairy. What is that, a bear with a coffee cup? A coffee pot. Little butterfly, mushrooms, tea cup and kettle. Some little vintage fox, and that might be a frog. Just very whimsical. So, whimsical stamps for tea party. So that is really awesome. Shall we try to stamp a little something on here? It doesn't take me too long to open these. I'm going to open these in a minute. Okay, at some point, I mean, I'm really busy just destashing, but I do have time. I did want to make some eclectic journals. You know, you can use all different types of stamps. I mean, ephemera in them. Because I have so many book pages and I won't be able to keep all of my books. So I have like torn out lots of book pages. But I'm still going to have to destash some things. I'm giving myself a real reality check. I think I'm going to get rid of all my glitter. I don't use that. I got rid of most of my what was it? Paints, except for some Martha Stewart kind of specialty paint, you know, the small bottles, or just a few. Oh, that's pretty. And then what if I put this little, just as an eclectic, fun, unexpected element, I added this little, I think it's a frog. Okay. And maybe he'll go right there. Oh, cute. I like it. I think that's a frog. I don't know. And let's see, anything else we could... It's fun, and then you could, you know, add other elements here. I could add, like I could add from this pack, except I don't think I have my glue down here. get some fabric. What if we put I like whimsical. How about that? Just for a quick project. This might be all clogged up. Oh, it's coming out. So how's that for a quick, fun project? This is just a manila envelope right here. So you could put that in the middle of a journal. And you could add more things too, but that's what I have used with just a few things in just a matter of minutes. So thank you so much for checking out this awesome box, The Secret Tea Break. Oops. And I'll put the information in the description below if you're interested. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.